next year or 2 years to come, I must, because things are going up. There's inflation rate that is going up. So I need to ask for increment.
Okay.
Thank you very much. But that will be done in the contract.
You have signed the contract.
You must sign a contract. You must sign a contract. There must be things that are written there that ABC is going to be done in this way. Like for instance, we are getting 10,000 now, but 2 3 years down the line, or annually, they're going to be increment in your salary.
It comes here, and people, we are not careful. We want to make simple mistakes. And then when you are receiving your interviews, you have an interviewer, you have the right to ask your employers, for how long am I going to be? That's why conflict and relationship, these two are very difficult to understand. Sometimes it may be my fault as an employee. Why? Because when I was conducting the interviews, they said your salary is 10,000. I didn't have the chance, I didn't take my responsibility to ask them further that for how long this salary is going to stay like that. Because if you don't ask like that, as an employer, I'll leave you the way it is and send you a contract.